welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to promote Digistore products on Pinterest. So you just need to follow these steps. So first of all, set up a business account. If you don't have one already, create a Pinterest business account. This will give you access to additional features and analytics to effectively promote your Digistore24 products. So, if you want to create a business account, it's a simple process, okay? You just need to put your business name, what are your categories, okay, and then enter your email and password. Or if you have a personal account, you can convert it to business account by clicking the drop down arrow at the upper right corner of your screen if you're using your computer, and click on the convert to business in the drop down arrow, okay? So now, optimize your profile. Customize your Pinterest profile with a clear and engaging profile picture and compelling bio that highlights what you offer, and a link to your website or landing page where your Digistore24 products are featured. Create relevant boards. Organize your Pinterest account by creating boards that aligns with the categories or themes of your Digistore24 products. Name the boards with relevant keywords to increase visibility in Pinterest searches. Pin high quality images. Use visually appealing, high quality images that represent your Digistore products or Digistore24 products, Create attractive product graphics or use professional product photos that capture attention and entice users to click and learn more. Write engaging descriptions. Craft keyword rich descriptions for each pin, including relevant hashtags and compelling copy that highlights the benefits or unique selling points of your Digistore24 products. Make the description clear, concise, and actionable. Utilize rich pins. Implement rich pins on your website to to provide more detailed information about your Digistore 24 products such as pricing, availability, and direct links. Rich pins can enhance the visibility and credibility of your product pins. Create vertical pins. Pinterest favors vertical pins with an aspect of ratio of 2 by 3 or 1 by 2.1. Okay? Again, the ratio are 2.3 or 1 by 2.1 or 2 is to 3 or 1 is to 2.1. Design vertical graphics that stand out in the Pinterest feed, making it easier for users to notice and engage with your Digistore24 product pins. Create inspirational and informative content. In addition to product pins, create other types of content that provide value to your audience. This can include inspirational quotes, DIY tutorials, gift guides, or informative blog posts related to your Digistore24 products niche. Next, collaborate with influencers. Identify Pinterest influencers who have a substantial following and target audience relevant to your Digistore 24 products. Collaborate with them to create sponsored pins or content that showcases your products to their engaged followers. Join relevant group boards. Find and join group boards on Pinterest that are related to your Digistore24 product niche. Group boards allow you to reach a wider audience and increase the visibility of your product pins. Engage with the community and share valuable content regularly. Use Pinterest ads. Consider running Pinterest ads to further promote your Digistore24 products. Pinterest Ads Manager provides options to create promoted pins, allowing you to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and keywords. Monitor analytics. Regularly review your Pinterest analytics to gain insights into the performance of your pins and boards. Identify which pins are driving the most engagement and conversions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Next, enable the Shop the Look feature. If applicable, enable the Shop the Look feature on your product pins. This allows users to click on specific items within an image and directly purchase them, enhancing the shopping experience on Pinterest. Cross promote on other channels. Share your Pinterest content, including Digistore24 product pins, on your other social media channels, website, or email newsletters. This helps to drive traffic to your Pinterest account and increase engagement. Create how-to guides or tutorials. Create step-by-step guides or tutorials related to your Digistore24 products and turn them into visually appealing pins. Pinterest users often search for DIY projects, instructional content, or tips and tricks. Providing valuable and informative content can attract users to your pins and increase engagement. Repurpose blog content. If you have a blog related to your Digistore24 products, repurpose your blog posts into visually appealing pins. Create eye-catching graphics that represent the key points or takeaways from your blog posts, including a compelling title and a brief description to entice users to click through to your website and explore the full content. For the last one, we have optimized pin titles and descriptions for SEO. Pinterest functions as a search engine, so optimizing your pin titles and descriptions for search engine optimization or SEO can help your pins rank higher in Pinterest search results. Use relevant keywords, descriptive language, and clear titles to make your pins more discoverable. Remember to consistently engage with the Pinterest community, repin relevant content, and interact with other users' pin. Building an active presence on the platform can help increase your visibility and attract more users to discover and engage with your Digistore24 products. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.